Nobody is teaching this strategy on YouTube because they haven't researched enough about it. In this video, I'll teach you my 1-minute binary option trading strategy that is giving me consistent results regularly. This strategy works on all binary option brokers such as Quotex, Pocket Option, IQ Option, Binomo, Olam Trade, etc. In this video, I'll teach you my strategy in detail and will also take few trades using the same strategy so that you can understand the application part as well. So without wasting any time, let's start this video now. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Price is approaching a liquidity zone and this is where I'm expecting reversal. Once I take the trade, I will explain you the strategy. So let's open the 5-second chart because here I'm going to place my trade with confirmation. The strategy is very simple. We use liquidity, but let me first take the trade and then I will explain you in detail why I'm taking a reversal trade here. Let's wait. I'm waiting for a strong bullish reversal confirmation here and then I will place a trade in the upside direction. Yes, that's the confirmation and I have placed the trade in the upside direction. Let's understand the strategy behind this trade. So I have drawn this liquidity zone, but the reason why I'm drawing this zone is because I use a strategy that is based on liquidity. So I work on 3 perspectives. The first one is to find manipulation, and after finding the manipulation, I target and draw a liquidity zone. In this case, as you can see, when price started moving in the upside direction, this is the candle that I'm targeting, and the reason is very simple. You can see previous history shows that price was always creating highs, then it was reversing, creating highs, and it was reversing, creating highs and reversing. The price does that because it wants to grab liquidity that is available at the bottom and then it goes up again and then reverse again to grab liquidity. We use the simple same logic here as well, and the logic is very simple. We just wait for the price to hit a liquidity zone, and how we can draw the liquidity zone, just to find a zone where we have a manipulative candle. Like in this case, as you can see, when price created this candle, it reverses, grab liquidity, goes up again, created liquidity, reverses again to grab more liquidity, and after creating this candle, the price does not reverse at all. What does it mean? It means that liquidity has been left behind, and if liquidity is left behind, the price will reverse, because in an uptrend the price always moves like this. So I'm targeting a move like this for a reversal in the upside direction. In this case, the price created these candles showing that now the price will go up, so the buyers will take entry here, and if they place their entry here, their stop losses, if I was trading in this particular zone, I would have placed my stop loss at this exact zone. If I'm trading with this candle, my stop losses will be around here. But if my entry is with this candle, I will most probably place my stop loss at the bottom support, because this is where I feel safe, and that's why I target the zone where the manipulation started. This is the manipulative candle because it is showing the buyers that now the price will go up so that they can enter trade, and once they enter trade, the price will reverse, hit their stop loss, and then finally it will go up again. That is why I use manipulation and then I find liquidity zone, and to place a trade I use 5-second chart. You can see that price reverses from the very zone that I have drawn. It is no luck, it is just pure analysis. See, if I analyze this chart, you can easily say that this is a manipulative candle. Why? Because it created a breakout. Now after a breakout, the traders will place buy orders. Most likely they will place their stop loss at this zone, and you can see after this breakout the price reverses from this zone multiple times to grab liquidity, and then it goes up again. Same story here as well. You can see this candle shows a breakout and then it reverses to grab liquidity, then it goes up again. And here also you can see these candles shows that price will go up, it will create buying entries, the price reverses, hit stop losses, and then it goes up. So I use the same logic. I just marked my liquidity zone and I place my trade with 5-second chart confirmation. So the strategy is very simple. Let me put you on a whiteboard. So suppose price is going like this. Now when price reverse like this, it is most likely to reverse until and unless it grab all the liquidity that is available in this particular move. So if suppose here we have a strong green candle and then more green candle, the price most likely to reverse completely till the bottom, because once price create these move, the price does not show any retracement, and if it is not showing retracement in future, it will retrace back, will grab all the liquidity, and then it will finally move. Similarly here also same thing happened. Price created multiple buy candles, the liquidity was here, so I target the same zone for a reversal, and we have booked profit on the very first trade. Let's find other trading setup and I will explain you why the strategy that I am using is worth applying. Let's wait for our new setup now. Price hit the liquidity zone once again. Let's open 5-second chart. I'm targeting a reversal trade here. Chances of reversal are super high. I need just 5-second confirmation and then I will place my trade. Let's wait now. I'm using the same trading strategy. This is a liquidity zone and that's why I'm targeting a reversal trade here. If I get a breakout from this level, I'll place a call trade instantly. Price is still falling. If without confirmation, I do not place trade, but I have confirmation, I will surely going to place the trade. Let's wait. There is no strong bullish reversal confirmation. Yes, that's the confirmation. I got breakout from the recently rejected level and I have placed the trade. Let's understand the logic. So I'm applying the same trading strategy that I used here. You can see that previously we were focusing on this move, and because of that we target a liquidity zone which was placed at the bottom. Similarly here as well, if you focus, price created back-to-back green candle. There was no retracement whatsoever, and if I was buying because of these move, my stop losses will lie at the bottom in this zone, and that's why I targeted a bottom zone which is here, because the manipulation started from this candle and after this candle there was no reversal taken place, and that's why if there was no reversal taken place, the price should reach this bottom and then it can reverse. Okay, this is a break-even trade. We did not make any money, neither we lost any, so it's a refund trade. Let's wait for another setup, because according to me this was a good setup, but sometimes price can take longer to reverse, and you can see that now that price is now reversing, but because we are trading with 1 minute fixed expiry, we were not able to make any profit out of it, although our analysis was correct. So it's a refund trade, no profit, no loss, but our analysis was perfect. The price hit the bottom and it penetrated through, because maybe some traders were trailing their stop losses, and that's why the price went down, penetrated more, and then it started reverse. So that's part of the game, but you can see that our analysis was correct here. Our analysis here was also correct. So whenever you find moves in which there was no retracement, you can expect a reversal from the bottom. Let me teach you some. If we start from this move, you can easily say that the price did not reverse after this move, which means we have a zone which we can target. Although I can see that there is no retracement on this chart right now, but maybe you will see that in future. This is where the move started without retracement, and after this move, if you have drawn this zone, you can see reversal, reversal, multiple reversal. Here also, if we focus on this move, then you can see that after this buying candle, the price did not reach the bottom for liquidity sweep, and in future you can expect reversal, and you have reversal, you have a reversal here as well. Similarly, after no retracement, price reverses, hit the bottom, and then it goes up. So you can target these reversal zones like this. You just have to find the starting point of manipulation. In this case, you can see that price was going constantly up, then some retracement, finally a breakout. Now after this breakout, the price retraces back, hit the liquidity, after that it goes up, and after this move there was no proper retracement, but price finally reversed, hit the bottom, then a reversal. So you can expect reversal, clear reversal, if you can create a clear zone. Like in this case, you can see constant move, but this constant move came for liquidity hunting. So don't get confused. This is the real move, this is liquidity hunting. Don't try to take a reversal from this zone, because this move came for liquidity hunting. This is not the real move. This is actually the real move that manipulates trader. You can expect a reversal, but I will advise you to focus on the initial move. So in this case, we have initial moves here. So I targeted reversal here, initial move here. So I targeted reversal here. Let's find other trading setup. On this chart, I do not have any proper trading setup anymore. Let's find other trading opportunity now. Price hit the liquidity zone. Now I'm expecting a reversal. Let's open 5-second chart. We need strong bearish reversal pattern here. Chances of reversal are high here. I'm targeting a liquidity zone where most of the stop losses are available according to me. That's why I'm targeting reversal. Let's wait for a confirmation. I need strong bearish reversal pattern here. No strong confirmation as of now. I'm still waiting for good confirmation. I will wait for one more retracement right now, as the price didn't give good reversal pattern formation here. It is giving confirmation, but they are at the bottom. I want confirmation to be formed at this zone or near to this liquidity zone. This is a good confirmation, but I'm not placing my trade because it will be a little more riskier. Okay, price started falling. Okay, it is falling very strongly. The reason why I was expecting reversal is very simple. This is a liquidity zone. I'll explain you. If I didn't find any opportunity, then I will leave this trade and will try to give you the reason why I was expecting reversal. The reversal did take place here. The price reverses completely, but I did not get confirmation. Let's use this zone for a reversal in the upside direction, because if I fail to find an opportunity here, I can use this zone for the reversal. Let's see. If price goes up again, I will use this zone one more time for the reversal. If not, then I will wait for the price to fall and hit this zone. Let's wait now. Price hit the liquidity one more time. This time I will place my trade if I have strong bearish reversal patterns. Wait, this is the reversal just to grab liquidity. Let me first take the trade, then I will explain you the strategy. I'm looking for strong confirmation. If we have a breakout from this level, I'll place a trade. It is showing breakout, but I think the price will not break. No strong confirmation as of now. No breakout, as you can see. Yes, we have confirmation, and I have placed the last trade of today's session in the downward direction. Let me explain you the logic. So the logic is very simple, but I have to go through from the whole analysis, then only I will reach this particular trade. So initially when I opened this chart, the price was here, and I was targeting the bottom. This is the bottom which I was targeting for my reversal trade, because according to me, if price is creating these back-to-back green candle, it is just to make sure that it creates liquidity, and then I was expecting a reversal, and from the same zone a rebound. This is what I was expecting, but you can see that price took early reversal from this zone, and I was not able to capitalize this trading opportunity. So I shifted my zone, and then I focused on this zone. When price was here, okay, we have lost this trade. When price was here, it was moving up. I announced that price will go up to create more liquidity, then it will fall, and after the fall it will recover completely. Same thing happened. I was expecting that it will fall up to this zone, but it took early reversal again here like it did before. After that, the price goes up straight, and for me the next liquidity zone for me was this zone. Why? Because if you start reading the chart from this candle, the price goes down, then retraces back for liquidity hunting, goes down for liquidity hunting again, goes down again, goes up for liquidity hunting, gave a breakout from this level, fall, recovered for liquidity hunting, but after this candle fall, this breakout, there was no retest of this zone. So for me, this was the zone that I can target for the reversal trade, and that's why after this move was going on, I was targeting a reversal from this zone. The price did reverse from the same zone, but I was not able to use this opportunity because the confirmation part was not really solid. But as price created this big candle, I thought that price will go up for liquidity hunting, and then it will fall like this. That's why I targeted another reversal trade from this zone. There was no clear breakout on 1 minute chart, and on 5-second chart also we have good confirmation that also gave a breakout from the recent level. So it was a confirmation that price will fall, and that's why I placed my trade. But unfortunately I lost that trade because sometimes you can't control the results. My analysis was simple. This was the manipulation according to me, and because of this selling candle, I was expecting liquidity that is available here, and so I was expecting a reversal. Price did reverse for 1 minute, but my entry and expiry was not aligned, and that's why I lost this trade. So today I have taken 3 trades. One was loss, the last trade was a break even, and the first trade was a winning trade. The second trade, which was a break even, was actually a winning trade, but because the expiry was not aligned, we closed that trade at break even. Otherwise our analysis was correct, and we did expected the same thing that happened in the chart. On this chart also, my first analysis was to take reversal here, which was actually correct. Second analysis was again correct, but because the expiry is fixed, we can't make profit in this trade. So today I'm closing in loss again. In my last session on Friday, I closed on loss, and today also I'm closing on loss. Maybe the price is not moving according to the strategy, but it is giving me consistent results. You can see the previous results, and if you want to check last week or last month results, you can check through my videos. I always post them. So today is not the day on which I make profit, but I think my analysis was good, and whatever I was anticipating was happening on the chart, like this move. So all in all, I am happy with my results. I'm not dissatisfied that I have not made any money, but I have learned something new from this session, and I hope you guys are also doing the same. So that is it for today. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.